1, 2, 3. Whoa, baby! Oh my gosh, now are you ready to crawl? That's probably a bad place to crawl. Oh, she got a bad feet.
She just grabbed it. Like, that's mine.
Baby.
Look at. She's like, I'll crush it with my diesel arm. Get it.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
That was awesome. Ready? Come on, show mommy you're walking on. Come on.
Walk one more time, baby. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Oh, you stepped on your foot. Good job.
Yeah.
And I got your passy.